want ice cream.
What do you mean?
Don't eat it yet, Teddy.
We're doing it for Poppy. Ready on the count of 3, guys. Grab an Oreo and say, Poppy.
Puppy.
And take a bite. Say, Happy April Fool's Day.
Happy April Fool's Day. It's mint.
It's toothpaste.
April Fools!
April Fool! Libby!
I don't like it.
Libby, no, wait. You can have a whole bunch of real ones now. You can have some real ones. I'm sorry, it was a joke. What's the matter?
You're evil.
Oh, sweetheart, I'm sorry. Are you okay?
No.
What's the matter? What happened?
I'm gonna play one.
You didn't like the mint flavors?
No.
I'm sorry. All is forgiven, Teddy?